Well, as you can see, I'm still working. As I said, I just came back from work, so I didn't quit my job. But on the other hand, it changed my life in a way that I didn't think it would. First of all, this laptop here that I'm talking about, that I'm talking from, I bought it with the money that I made from the website. I pay some of the bills I pay with the money that I made from the website. So many times I don't touch my salary, which is great. But it's not only that, is the fact that it opened the door to such an amazing world for me, the digital marketing space that no one managed to do before. And it excited me in such a way that I want to do this like 100%, and I want to do this for the rest of my life. It basically changed the vision that I have about life, I would say.
Cool.
And what I want to be and where I want to be.
So yeah, you want to talk about that more? Like, where do you want to be? You said you want to basically do digital marketing type work. Yeah. What else do you see out there for you?
Well, I see many opportunities in since I speak several languages, I have the possibility to create websites in other niches that, let's say, for example, are more profitable, but the competition is less in other countries. And I can create my own digital agency in the future. Obviously, I've talked with some people at work if they want me to do type of lead gen for them. It's kind of referral, it's kind of still affiliate, right? But you'll build a different type of website for them, where you send instead of clicks, you'll send calls to these guys. And I can see myself working from anywhere. That's the beauty of digital marketing. I can't wait to quit my job so I can go to Spain. I have a home in Spain. So I would love to be there for 2 months if I want to. I have family in Brazil. So if I want to go to Brazil and stay there for 6 months, I can go there. This vision that I never had before kind of give another spin to my life. It's amazing. Cool. Honestly. I mean, I've never been so excited before about something. Put it this way.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's like once you are exposed to some of the ideas and then you figure out that you can actually do it, it's not a big scam, then like all these opportunities open up, and it's like probably challenging for you, Adrian, to like not do every single thing that you see come down the way, right?
Keep it focused.
Yeah.
Especially with the limited amount of time that I have. And this is one of the things that actually I talk to the boys at work as well. It's, don't say you don't have time. Don't say you don't have money. Don't say you don't have this. Don't say, just find it. Because I'm sure if you don't have time, just quit playing PlayStation for 2 hours. That's badly I want to become free, so, put it this way, I really want to be a digital marketer, not a crane operator.
Right. So for people that want to replicate your success, do you have any like broad tips or mindset ideas? Feel free to repeat yourself from earlier. I know there were nuggets as we've talked, but yeah, any tips for people looking to replicate what you've done?
Of course. First of all, you need to think about digital marketing in general as a long-term thing, as a long-term plan that is going to provide you, that's going to provide you the exit, if you want, from the rat race or from the life that you hate, just like Marty did in September. So take it with the mindset of not making money overnight, because you're not going to make it. Look, I'm 2 years into this thing and I didn't quit my job, but the passion that I have and the enthusiasm that I have to do it is just out of this world, because I want to do it. So, take your time. And another thing that I like to do, Doug, since I started actually with your course, is I like to read books, and I quit watching TV and read newspapers, because They have so much negativity going on. I hate that thing because it take my peace of mind. So I read books, I made friends. That's another very, very important thing. I said it before. Make friends. You know, when you join a course, maybe if you want to join that course, or it doesn't matter if you join a course, there's free Facebook groups out there. Just join with the community, talk about it, because you need to be in a community that will understand you, right? Because if you go to your mom and you explain her that you want to be a digital marketer, you will come up these ideas of scam or something, as we all know. Just talk to people that understand you, right? And don't, because otherwise they will just put a cap on you. No, just don't do that. That's stupid. And then commit yourself. You have to commit yourself to at least 1 hour per day to do some whatever little task you want to do. You have to commit to yourself to at least open the laptop. That's what I do. I have a here in the kitchen, I have a whiteboard, and I have what I want to do. I put like little notes. So today I'm just how much time do I have? Just 1 hour. Okay, let's create a nice picture in Canva. Sometimes takes me an hour, sometimes takes me less, but at least I open the laptop and I go to the business. I really believe that's extremely, extremely important to take little steps in order to achieve the bigger ones. And I mean, I could talk like this forever, Doug, but you know,
Cool.
it's all about the mindset. As you said, you need to put yourself in a mindset of a business person, not just a guy. Oh, let me do this cool thing that, you know, they talk about. Make money online, passive income. No, just put yourself in a mindset of a business person, because what you are building, it's a business. It's not just a website.